Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Quartz back again with another video here at AZ Tech Doctors. Today we will be working on a Dell Latitude 7480 where we will be throwing in a M.2 and some RAM while we wait for the battery to be delivered, because the battery should be here today or tomorrow. Then we'll pop in a new battery for this, and this is going to be another refurbished laptop that we will be selling. So I'm gonna just guide y'all, walk y'all through on how we normally go through and install new SSDs or M.2s and the RAM and all that good stuff. If you do like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video with your friends so they can see the video as well. If you want to see any other videos, post below. Let us know what you want to see. We'll make videos for you. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let's get started. All right, so like I did mention before, this doesn't have a battery in there, but we're going to install a operating system and everything while we wait for the battery to get delivered. So we have 8 gigabytes of RAM, and we have a 128 gig M.2 that we're going to be throwing in this as well. So let's start by taking out the screws on the back. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 screws. About 7 screws, 3 on each side, and then 1 in the middle. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. And by the way, I love this electric screwdriver. It really makes life fairly easy when we're doing this type of repairs. I'll put the link for this screwdriver below. I got this one from Amazon. It's actually 8 screws. So once you loosen up all 8 screws, you just take your fingernails, pop it right up, just like that. So again, it doesn't have a battery. That battery should be here today or tomorrow. I'll be popping that in. So the first thing we're gonna do, just throw in the RAM for this. So this is not the right RAM that I have for this. So give me a second. Let me go get the right RAM. So I had PC3 stick RAMs out, but this one takes PC4. So I have 2 PC4 stick RAMs. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop these in now. So just put it in, push down, put this one in, push down. Still 8 gigabytes of RAM. So that's real good. M.2, we're gonna take that, pop that in right over here. Push that in, push that down. We're gonna go ahead and take the screw, because we're gonna have to use the We're gonna take a screw out of here so that M.2 doesn't pop up. Go ahead and put this in. I normally don't put it too tight. I just keep it. Okay, so that's in. So that's all good for now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the back cover back on this. And I'm not going to tighten up all the screws. I'm just tightening up a couple of them, just because I will be taking these back out probably tomorrow to put the battery into this one. So I'm this screwdriver make life so much faster. So I just be flying through these. So now once we have that like that, we're gonna just take the charger, plug it in, and we're gonna start with the operating system installation on this. So I've made a Windows 11 USB stick that we're gonna throw into this. And if y'all wanna know how to make this, comment below, and I'll make a video on how to create USB sticks for Windows 11. So once you plug that in, we're gonna just power it on. We're gonna press F12 for this specific Dell model. And it might take a minute because we just put new RAM in it. So sometimes it's gonna pop up a message saying that the RAM had changed. It might not. Yep, the amount of system memory has changed. So press F1 and reboot. So we're gonna press that. And then we're gonna go down, select the USB, which is vendor core product code for this one. That's what we named it. So I'm gonna select that. And I might have to do that again just because it just rebooted on me, but we're gonna see. And it's just because the memory changed. It went from having 0 RAM to 8 gig, so it might pop up that. So we're gonna give that a minute again. That's not how it's supposed to be. Actually, yes it does. Okay, cool. All right, so it popped up with what the setup screen of setting up this. So we're going to go ahead and start the setup of the operating system. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. It's going to ask for the keyboard layout, US. I'm going to click next. Install Windows 11, yes. I'm going to agree with everything. I'm going to click next. It's going to say we're getting a few things ready. Now that's doing that. I'm going to close up the screws just in case something happened and they must have magically fall. You don't lose a whole thing of screws on that. All right, so it's going to give me the terms. So I'm going to click accept. Please wait, please wait. I'm waiting enough. All right, so now it popped up the disk that's in there. We do have a 128 gig M.2 that we just put in. So we're going to go ahead, select that one. Sometimes if you use a used M.2 and it may have things on there, you have to go and delete the partitions that's on that M.2 and then click next. But this one doesn't have anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that one and I'm gonna click next. And then install Windows 11 Pro, keep nothing, correct. So I'm gonna click install and boom, there we go. So it's gonna install the operating system and then we're gonna be good. And the battery should be in today so I can install them tomorrow. All right, so if y'all like this video of me installing the M.2 into this computer plus the RAM and installing Windows 11 on here, let me know. Please leave a like below. As you can see, it's pretty easy to do this. You just have to make sure that you know what you're doing, but it's pretty easy to do once you do it. But if you do like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see a video of how I made this USB stick with Windows 11, well, for Windows 11, leave a comment below. I'll post a video of how to make a USB stick that has Windows 11 on it so you could install Windows 11 on your computer or somebody else's. But if you do like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. We're trying to grow this channel bigger. We're trying to post videos at least once or twice a week. I'm going to start posting more game videos for the game console repairs, more networking videos, more videos like this that shows you how to install Windows, shows you how to fix these type of computers. I'm going to start posting more of those. But if you do like this, make sure y'all do what I ask, please. Y'all have a good day. Thank y'all for watching.